To harvest the sweetest plant on earth, they first do something that seems absolutely insane. They set it all ablaze. Hundreds of hectares vanish in a roaring sea of fire. But this isn't a disaster, it's the genius technique behind industrial sugar harvesting. Why burn everything? It torches dry leaves and pesky snakes in seconds, leaving only the juicy, sugar-packed stalks ready for crushing, super efficient for massive yields. Yet, what if I told you, in another world, they flip the script entirely and craft liquid gold in a mind-blowingly clever, closed-loop way, from raging flames to a perfectly sustainable cycle? Let's dive into the epic clash of two sugar-making universes, transforming raw cane into the irresistible sweets we crave. Every sweet adventure kicks off right here on the ground. This is the epic start of a sugarcane saga, and unlike most crops, sugarcane doesn't grow from tiny seeds. Instead, farmers use sturdy cane cuttings called sets. Each healthy stalk segment is buried, sprouts from its buds, and explodes into a brand new plant, perfect clones of the powerhouse parent. The work is pure grit. Workers meticulously line hundreds of meters of furrows with these sets, setting the stage for a sugar revolution. Then, in just weeks, life bursts forth. From those dry-looking sticks, vibrant green shoots rocket upward, promising a bumper crop of pure sweetness. Protecting this miracle is crucial. On massive plantations, high-tech sprayers blanket the tender shoots with nutrients and pest protection, guarding tomorrow's candy. After 10 patient months, the field transforms into a towering emerald jungle, endless rows of mature cane ready to become the sugar we crave. But hold on, before harvest, a jaw-dropping, fiery ritual begins. This is traditional cane burning, and it's about to blow your mind. Why set the field ablaze? The flames torch razor-sharp dry leaves that would shred workers and slow the harvest. The fire also scares off snakes and bugs hiding inside, yet the juicy, sugar-packed stalks stay perfectly safe, shielded by their own moisture. Once the flames die, the real harvest frenzy ignites. Time to turn this charred field into mountains of sweet potential. Industrial muscle takes over at Sugar. After hand-cutting, colossal mechanical grabbers scoop tons of cane in one bite, way faster than human power. Monster trucks with endless trailers stand ready, hauling the harvest straight to the mill where sugar magic awaits. Now we teleport to a totally different world. Welcome to MDP Jaggery, an artisan workshop crafting sugar the old school way. Notice the vibe: fresh green cane. No burning here. This untouched harvest is destined for traditional jaggery pure. Unrefined Gotten Bliss. Forget giant robots. Workers feed whole stalks into roaring crushers. This beast is the heart of the operation, ready to unleash liquid gold. One mission: squeeze every drop of sweet juice from the fibrous pulp, turning tough cane into rivers of nectar. The leftover bagasse, zero waste. It's dried into fuel to fire the very boilers that cook the next batch. Genius recycling. Even the bagasse gets a VIP upgrade journey at Shrudi's massive rotary dryer. Swirling heat blasts moisture from the pulp, prepping it as perfect, high-energy fuel. Meanwhile, in another artisan kitchen, the star of the show, fresh cane juice takes center stage for its sweet transformation. Straight from the crusher, pure juice floods into a gigantic open pan where raw liquid begins its epic journey to solid sweetness. Skimmers dance across the surface, scooping foam and impurities, clarifying the brew so every bite of jaggery stays pristine and flavorful. A dash of lime or herbal extract helps gunk sink fast, pulling out proteins and dirt for that gorgeous golden clarity we love. Flames roar to life beneath the pan, let the evaporation party begin. Steam billows like a sweet fog. Workers stir non-stop for hours, coaxing water out and concentrating pure cane flavor. Constant stirring is non-negotiable. It spreads heat evenly, prevents scorching, and guarantees silky smooth, jaggery texture. Fueling those endless flames, dried bagasse. This closed-loop system is pure craft brilliance. Nothing wasted. Everything delicious. Showtime. When the syrup hits perfect thickness, judged by expert eyes and years of feel, the molten gold pours out. No molds yet. The scorching syrup slides into cooling troughs, a critical chill zone before shaping. Molds are prepped and lightly oiled, standing by like eager candy soldiers, ready to capture liquid sunshine. In the cooling trough, relentless, stirring triggers uniform crystallization building, that signature light. Melt in your mouth, jaggery crumble. At the magic moment, thick, warm, and ready, artisans scoop and pour with lightning speed into waiting molds. Big paddles swoop in, leveling every square perfectly. Before the syrup sets, precision meets passion. Now we wait, hearts pounding, as liquid gold cools and hardens into the chunky, irresistible jaggery blocks we adore. Cooled, solidified, and stunning, each piece a testament to fire, sweat, and sugar alchemy. The cycle spins on while one batch cures. Crews scrub troughs spotless, Any burnt speck could taint the next flawless batch. Behold the payoff, thousands of golden jaggery cubes, popped from molds and air drying to perfection. Look at that texture, airy, crisp, naturally caramel hued, no bleach. Just honest cane flavor in every crystalline bite. Premium A, one jaggery gets bagged and shipped, carrying farm-fresh sweetness and artisan pride straight to your pantry. What a mind-blowing ride from field to treat. If this sugar saga lit you up, smash, like, subscribe, and share the love. Your support fuels more mesmerizing how it's made journeys. Thanks for watching. Sweet friends, see you next time.